Alright, this is a confession video. Everything's falling apart on the bus. Everything's broken. We just made a video about the moonshade. Moonshade fell down. The wind got it, and the poles fell down, and one of them I can't find. I don't know where it went. One just, you know, fell down normal, and then the other one, it's gone. Did it bounce into the bush? I don't know. The bus is leaking. I found a leak coming out of this hole right here because it was raining super hard. Every time it rains, there's a new leak in the bus, and so I think it's coming from the front headlight, or what are they called, emergency lights, where they flash so kids don't get run over. So I need to caulk that. So we installed the Cubic Mini stove wrong. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix it, but you're supposed to be 30 inches off the top for clearances. Clearances is something you're supposed to check before you install a stove. This is, so disclaimer for all of my videos on YouTube ever, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it, figuring it out as I go. They're not tutorials per se, they're watching me do it so you can learn how not to do it. So 30 inches all the way off the top, and you're supposed to be 20 inches around the edges. So I got the 20 inches around the edge part, but this is not 30 inches right here. So I either need to take this off or move it off that way, or I might be able to add like a metal guard heat shield to it. It's supposed to be like an inch off the edge. You can buy little spacers and just get sheet metal, put it on, or you can use like a little copper pipe and cut it an inch and then just screw it in. But I'll leave a link to the rules for the Cubic Mini and how you're actually supposed to do it. But I'm not 30 inches off the ceiling either, and I don't know if I can fix that. I should have bought one more of these pipes. I'm like at 26 inches, so it's pretty close. I think it's not going to be dangerous, but that's my confession. I don't know what I'm doing, and my bus is leaking, and my moonshade blew over, and that's just life, you know? That's how it is when you own a school bus. So now I gotta get some more firewood in there and caulk the bus, you know, bus life stuff. That's it. Short video. See you guys later. The last guest didn't even use the stove, so I didn't need to refill it. I should have checked before I went to go get all the wood.